All right. What is going on today? Is August 1st. It's 9:01 a.m. And took yesterday off trading this account, FOMC, um, which was pretty lackluster. Didn't really get much out of there. Powell was pretty mum on everything. I think a lot of fears in the economy right now, and yeah, things aren't going as planned. So today, looking at things, we have had a massive sell-off. I checked earlier. I mean, looks like a lot of your Mag 7, everything's just kind of rolling off a hill and taking a dump today. So we're gonna see what we could do. Uh, as priorly stated in other videos, like my last one, I do not like these trend days. I just typically do not do well on them. And right now, we are in this kind of bit of a consolidation block here on the 5 minute chart. Um, if I move up to the 15 and the 30, you could see this big sell-off here. We're kind of in this area where we were on the 30th here, consolidation area. Maybe we moved back down to this consolidation area. Not really sure of what is the move here. This is why I don't like these big moves sometimes, because it's like, I'm not sure what's going on. Are we going to consolidate here like we did prior, move back up? I just don't really know. It's just selling off today. Is this the bottoms? Not sure. Um, we are in this 500 tick range here. We could maybe see if we got anything going on here. But yeah, it's pretty even across the board. You can see got some orders stacking above and below. But for the most part here, yeah, we're just kind of chilling out. So my big problem here is this wick, these wicks here. Does it reject off of these wicks? I'm not sure. This might just be take money, see money. We'll put a little doodad here. We'll call it something like that. All right. And we're gonna see here what forms up. So 200s. Is anything forming up above the 200s? Is this something that we could get into position already coming on here? We'll just wait this out. So, the last video, I held on my position too long. It was kind of a similar deal that we were dealing with, like a market like this, kind of just didn't really see breakouts of my areas or anything, kind of I could do in the range, like support and resistance wise, and I just held on too long, waiting for a price to break. And I have a short daily loss limit. If I held onto that, I had the right move. It continued to go down. So sometimes it's just a timing thing. Sometimes you just have to see money and take money when you got it. I could have, took that for a couple $100, waited for another better entry when that move happened, and then caught that move to the downside. So lesson learned. And today we're gonna, maybe be patient, see if we get a better entry, or see what kind of happens, like right here, right now. If we get a move back down to the downside and it just keeps continuing down, or if we're gonna stay here for a minute. Not quite sure yet. Um, it's just stale right there. Not much movement. Yeah, that's why we practice patience. Patience, patience. Sometimes, I mean, if you come into this and you're just looking at click buttons and make quick money, it's not going to work out. I hate to say it, but you're just pulling that lever at the slot machine. You're not treating this like a business, and you're not going to get your outcomes like a business. You may get lucky, but if you don't have any strategy or what they say, like edge in place, yeah, then you'll never know. So we're getting at a topping point here. I feel like it's the way this is kind of bouncing. If it doesn't blast through here, we'll probably see a pullback into this zone. That's kind of how I think it's going. There's these really just deep moves, so we're gonna see where this pullback leads. Just be patient here. We might get up to this like consolidation area here as well. What is that, the 50, 59s? I'm gonna wait. Since this market was so short, that's what I was saying. I don't know if this is the bottom. I don't know. It's just I'm fearful for just you take along and you just get ripped on some big pullback. Hmm. Yeah, so this is pulling back. We'll see what happens. Let's see. If this bounces back up, then maybe we could try some longs here. But like I said, I'm a little hesitant. I think it might come back down into this area here. 92s. It's just so there's nothing really sticking out here. See what happens here again. If we get a pullback, any sort of resistance. If we could break through here, then yeah, maybe I'll take along, but we'll see. I'm just gonna be patient here. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You can't just be pulling the hammer, because that hammer will hit you in the face. That's for sure. I mean, there's times you don't want to be hesitant. You want to get into the order as well, but um, like after big moves like this and stuff, like you don't really know what the market's doing. You gotta see it first. You gotta see how the market's flowing, especially like if you just popped on trading. You just can't go in and start buy selling, buy selling. All right, so creeping up. Looks like market participants are having a tough time here trying to decide which way they want to go. They want to break out yet, or do they want to come back in this zone and kind of see what's going on? So we'll wait. Wait and wait. I think a lot of our data that we're getting in now too is showing to like a recession, so I think a lot of people are on that side of things. If we can't get back up into this zone, I might just take a short here. Just take a short. And we'll play this here. And like I said, we're gonna try and play for like maybe some quick scalps today. Just kind of stack some bricks up. See what we could stack around here. If we could get anything stacked. That's gonna be the key. That's gonna be the key. So, do we get this push back down? Alright, stopped out. That's it for the day. That quick. Wishy-washy day. Didn't really get what I wanted there. I was playing that on a 2-lot, huh? I was wondering why that was such a short entry. Shoot. Okay. Well, did not pay attention there to that. That was really bad on the management of my part, but I do think we still pop back down into this zone here. But $600 daily loss still keeps us above our mark here. We still have, you know, $800 here to kind of move around with, and it's okay. 2 loss days in a row, and yeah, it is what it is. I didn't get the market moving my way right there, and I just still think we continue to the downside today. Like I said, it's just the market's been a bit scared lately, and I just don't think that the buyers are in there. But yeah, quick trading day. Only on for, you know, maybe 10-15 minutes on this account, and yep, that's it. 2 days losses in a row. We'll have to make it up on the next one. So all good. I'll see you guys the next video. All right.